好啦，這是家族。我咧就要嚟開箱我嘅喼。你可以見到呢一個係一個 Eon 嘅玩意，大家可以見到呢一個 ，That's fucking cool。我見到呢一個型到抽筋，呢個細節不得了。Oh my god！ You good? You good? You good, my friend? You good? 然之後我哋狠狠拆開佢。Does it work?喺網頁背面。What? That's perfect. No, that's perfect. What's perfect? That's perfect. Yep. Yep. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. 揾唔到嘅。Oh my god. Oh my camera. Yeah, baby. 睇下裏面。Awesome. 大家可以望到，不得之了，呢個 logo 無處不在。It's Lego again. The greatest of all time. You know. 睇下個拉鏈。Oh. Very smooth. Very smooth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 我哋見到 Lego again. Lego again. Lego again. It goes right there. Lego again. 呢個其實唔係好知點用，直接係踩一波。Yep. 非常之精妙嘅設計，係咁多。